I'm Bill Goldstein, and this is one hell of a van.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate you showing it to me.
So that was the third nest I had to take out of there that they built. And now if you look at those, they're back at it. Well, they keep tearing down their hard work, but they can't build a nest in here. Well, we have a failure in the freezer zone. For some reason, overnight, it just started stop working here. So I don't know what happened. I didn't bring my cord to switch it over to AC. I was going to rely on the DC. So I'll have to try that when I get home. In the meantime, all our food is needs to be eaten or it's going to go to waste. Oh. Okay.
Actually, the omelets aren't turning out too good.
So we're,
They're
oh,
more
that
like
looks good.
scrambled eggs.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to eat that. It's gonna be great. What you got over here?
This is the fixings for the omelets. It's turning into scrambled eggs.
There we go.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna eat everything before it goes bad.
They're called scrambled omelets.
Scrambled
I'm
omelets.
ready for March. All right, so making a list, things we need to add for next time. The list is getting longer and longer.
Oh. Our solution was our temperature got down to about 60 degrees, so either ran out of Freon, the compressor went out or something. I don't know. This part of the electronics still works. Got my 12 volts still hooked up just in case it wants to kick in. I got it set to 35 degrees, but so our solution was to get some ice. Oh great, bacon's fault. Oh my goodness. No. I gotta fix that. Look at that Ellie cam. There's my son, the professional lounger. He did put the hammock up himself though. Check it out. My wife, she's got her spot picked out over here. Got some really big camp spots over here. The next door neighbor is, you can't even see him over there, and going this way we have nothing but woods. So it's really, really private. We have our canoe down here, or kayak down here, and yeah, just an hour ago this is like glass, and then the wind picked up, and I don't know if we're going to be able to put it back in the water before we leave for our trip or not, but hopefully everything will calm down a little bit.
to get on there. I don't know if that was good or not, Mark. We just got laughed at.
Huh?
They just laughed at us.
This family has outgrown the kayak.
They just laughed at us. Because the dog, I think they were laughing at the dog.
That was like a drive-by laugh.
Yeah, they just drove by and laughed at us. Time to get off. I don't have any shoes.
Mama's gotta get.
I hate to do this because these guys have been really working hard, but this is nest number 4 in the back of my camper. And we're leaving later today, so this has got...
I took out a whole nest, Mark.
Angel, this is nest number 4.
No, it's 5 because I took out a whole nest.
Oh, you did too?
Yep.
Okay. That is crazy. I feel bad because they've been plugging away at it, and I can't put this down because our charging cable comes out of here. I do have a thing I'm going to drill and put the charging cable through, but I hadn't had a chance to do it yet. Alright, so I go get 2 bags of ice to stick in this thing, and now
Hey, you need to get
it's
your
been
bag.
running and it's down to 35 degrees.
Come back up.
I have no idea what's going on with it. Although I know it's not acceptable because it got down to like almost 60. So it's very flaky. I'll have to figure out. Maybe it's low in Freon or something. I don't know. So how was this trip?
Pretty good.
You got bored at the end?
Got a little bored at the end, but overall good.